day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, as always, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. Let's start by having a look at the Nasdaq100, and I think actually before we even look at this chart, let's just go and have a look at the 10-year Treasury yields over here. Currently trading up at around 4.242%. We had another push up higher just going into the open there, where we did actually go and hit a new high of approximately 4.35% here. So, of course, you could say that at the beginning of last week, beginning of this week, we did start to form this cup and handle pattern. I did put that in my free Telegram group chat at the beginning of this week, saying that this is a bullish sign. We broke out, and now what I'm looking for, guys, is signs of capitulation. Now, if we look at the weekly chart, look where we're trading on the RSI, 80. If we go on the monthly chart here for the 10-year Treasury yield bond, the RSI is all the way up at 79. On the daily chart, we're also overbought with a move up at around 75. And then if we go on the 4-hour chart as well, we were a few moments ago all the way up at around 77. So this is in the final stages of pushing up towards the upside, and that's good. That's good for the stock market. And I feel like we had some weakness going into the open today because we had Snapchat report earnings last night. And, it's one of the first advertising companies that got to bring out their numbers and, of course, here for their guidance. And unfortunately, Snapchat couldn't provide any guidance going into, which normally is a very strong period of the year due to Christmas being on the horizon. So Q4 is normally very strong for advertising companies. And Snapchat basically couldn't offer the guidance, and they slightly missed on revenue. And that meant that companies like Pinterest, Twitter, Meta and Alphabet started the trading session in red territory, which I think weighed on the Nasdaq100 and other tech stocks. So, but it's nice now that we are seeing that 10-year bond yield come down, and we're now starting to see the Nasdaq100 pare its initial losses, and we're now trading in the green ever so slightly. I feel like going into next week, guys, I'm looking for a continuation of this A leg. We've just finished forming this 5-wave Elliott wave correction, which started off on the 5th of January, and now I feel like we need to have an ABC correction, which should take us to our next target of approximately 12,500. Which should be the next bear market rally here in the stock market. So I am short-term bullish here, especially as we go into next week. And on Monday, I feel like we still need to climb higher up towards the previous swing highs, which are up around 11,600, which of course is that 50-day EMA. Now, all there is for me to say before I let you go off and enjoy your weekend is to go and scan this QR code. It's a no-brainer. I'm posting my free research in here constantly, where you can keep up to date with the latest market trends and updates every single day. So definitely go ahead, guys, and scan this QR code on your screen.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.